Hello, today I've got a really quick one for you, some yogurt flatbreads. All you will need is self-raising flour, Greek yogurt and salt. Yep, that's it. First, just measure 2 cups or 240 grams of self-raising flour into a large bowl. Add 1 2/3 cups of Greek yogurt. Add to that half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're simply going to mix this together until it forms a sticky dough. Alright, make sure for this next step you flour everything really well. Flour your hands, flour the board. Do not be shy with the flour because this dough is sticky. Alright, so you're just going to divide your dough into 6 pieces, making sure again to place them onto a floured surface while you roll out each piece of dough at a time. Really flour everything. It's going to need flour all over the rolling pin, the bench. Well floured is the key here. And then you're just going to roll it out into a thin circle. Then you're just going to place each piece of dough into the cast iron pan that's been heating up for about 10 minutes and just cook it for about a minute on each side. Make sure you wipe out the pan after each bread to get rid of any burnt flour, and then just continue until you have done all 6.